Okay, y'all, this is what the garden is looking like right now. Those are the beans, another tomato plant. These tomato plants look like they starting to sprout right here. Not so much over there. The basil, green onions, what's that, parsley, the dill, the lettuce, thyme. Even these flowers look like they're starting to come. These are from the last video. However, y'all, oh, and that's the onion that I planted that I was gonna throw away. And I also planted these green onions here, but this is a mess. So we're gonna clean it up because cleaning this is what I like. After I cleaned up everything, y'all, I watered all the plants and I sprayed fertilizer over the top. Yeah, like I'm finna speed this shit up because ain't none of this interesting. I'm just watering and that's it, that's all. Now, these tomatoes, like, I'm gonna keep the plastic on there and see how it's popping. But we moving on. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna plant some store-bought garlic. So I've been having it sitting on my windowsill for a while, and this is what has happened. So I'm going to peel the paper off, put some dirt in here, and I'm gonna stick it down like this. Now I have two of them that's like that. I think one is coming right here. I think this one is coming, and I'm not sure about this one, but for sure these three is what I'm going to plant. And I'm probably going to put, oh, is this one? Yeah, I can plant this one. And the rest I'm probably going to put, I'm going to put in my compost pile. So first things first, I'm going to peel off like that. Just peeling the I'm going to fill this up with the dirt that I have. I have a big bag of dirt that I've been using for all of my videos that I got from Home Depot. I want to go buy a lemon plant. I need another aloe vera plant, and I want my son is screaming. He need to come in because it's cold outside. I'm gonna give that one its own. And then this one, I'm going to over here. And I'm putting root side down. I have to get used to filming, y'all. Like, I just really learned that I should have turned the camera around in the damn tripod, so don't judge me. And then here, because I know, like, the other girls, they have, like, a camera set up. I mean, a TV screen. And that's it. So, that's it, y'all. I have 3 garlic plants here. And Now, I saw, there you go. I need to label this, but I need to give me some more labels, y'all. Pretty much is what I'm saying. I'm going to water these and I'm going to add these to my hood garden. So as you can see, I cut the top of those off because I used some in the cook. So I'm just watering the garlic. Now the initial water, yes, I do water from the top. It's going to go down and sink down there at the bottom. I need some more trays, so I'll get some of that this week. Because I don't think this one is all the way down off in there. So where it can get enough. It's in there enough, so yeah, that's it. Got my label going with the date. We're gonna see how this go, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm just finishing off the plants with some fertilizer in a spray bottle with a little bit of water. Now, these videos are recorded over several days before I release them on Thursday. However, I am going to just switch the date to Friday so y'all can get the garden videos on Friday. Continue to follow me. Y'all play sweet.